This project was initiated by Arocha Ghana, led by one Mr. Prosper Entry. I started with one female and a male. Within 1 year, I had about 32. So around the Bosumtwi catchment area, that's the 22 communities, I was leading. But I had a problem with a cage supplied by Arocha. Since the urine of the grass cutters contain acid, the cage, the speed of rusting of the cage is very, very high. So one day I came to find that most of the animals have run away. This time around, I've decided to put up a wall, a cement block wall, so that I can contain them. They breed very, very fast. The type we see in the cage, when the time comes that they are delivering, the minimum is 8. At times it can deliver 10 babies. So I'm interested, even though I'm a cocoa farmer, coconut farming, and as well as oranges and mangoes. But this grass cutter, when you breed them, you get a lot of money. When you have 2 females and you feed them very well, by next 2 years, you get more than 20 to 30, provided you feed them very well. So I have decided to take it serious. So I will be very happy if I can get somebody who can support me to take up the project. As for land acquisition, I don't have any problem. I have more than 15 to 20 acres reserved for such projects. And I put up my own cottage. I put up my own structure. So one of the impediments will be water. So if I'm able to put up a borehole, it will make the project more sustainable. So I'm inviting some friends, whoever is prepared to come and help me. So we see a lot of broken cages scattered around. The wife will now know. I said, if I have time, I said, cage we said, I will back.
So what do you use this ones for?
Oh, especially when it is raining, they run into it for protection.
Oh, okay. So with someone who, like, as you are looking for an investor, are you looking for financial what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Financial support. And I have about 10 people, selected people around the 22 communities around the lake who can also join us if the project is taken off.
So there will be workers who will be working, or they will partner you with you.
Yes, farmers, individual farmers.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to do it alone.
Okay.
Yeah. Since it is a sustainable project, I wish if it is spread across. Yeah.
Okay.
It's one of the social interventions which could help my people, especially. Yeah. Around the lake.
Okay.
Some are interested in rearing rabbits, cultivation of coconuts, mango, cocoa, palm seedling, and whatnot.
Oh, okay.